Guys, my name is Brianna Rojas, and today I will be presenting to you guys a presentation I put together for Ms. Underwood's class. My topic was computer animation, so I hope you guys will like it. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, my topic was computer animation. So let's begin. So some of you guys might be wondering, what is computer animation? Well, computer animation is the manipulation of electronic images by means of a computer in order to create moving images. So what computer animation does is bring the characters to life. It makes them look more real. So this is what we see in all our favorite movies, our cartoon movies. This is the process that has to be done to create all these characters. Okay, so the computer animation process. Okay, so first, computer animation begins with an idea followed by the initial story. Okay, so what this means is obviously everybody needs to brainstorm before, like when we write an essay, we need to brainstorm, have ideas together before we can begin our big paper that we're gonna write. So this is what it means. You first need to have an idea in order to create that perfect character that you want to put in movies and everything. So next, the action scenes are sketched out in frames with a rough sketch of the story. So this is when all the drawing starts and you start creating your characters. You start giving them all the details and everything. So this is your idea put in the character, what we said right now, the first one. So the third one, then the detailed story is established, the soundtrack is completed, and the keyframes are identified using the actors' recorded dialogue. The filmmakers assemble a video animated only with the storyboard drawings. So what this means is that's when our characters come in and we use their voice to add to the characters. So that's also part of the computer animation process. After you're done with your characters, obviously you need to add your voice to them to bring them more realistic, in other words. Okay. So it takes an average of 6 hours to render one frame of an animated film. Wow. So that is a lot of time and a lot of work put in just one character. So I have a video for you guys to show you more of an idea of everything that I'm explaining. And okay, so let me show you. Okay, so like I just said right now, I'm gonna show you guys a little video to get a better idea of what I was talking about right now.
At new angle. Meanwhile, the animators work on bringing the characters to life. Using specialized software, they build a skeleton to fit inside the character's body. When they move the skeleton, the software makes the body move with it. They make the characters three-dimensional using a technique called wireframe animation. First, they build the shape of the character using a wire structure. Then they add color and clothing. They further refine the character by modifying facial features, by adding texture, and by shadowing. They use specialized software to synchronize the character's mouth with the dialogue. The technician works syllable by syllable, picking the mouth movement that matches each sound. It's a painstaking process that takes many months. Another animator applies the lighting effects. Lighting is as important in an animated cartoon as it is in a movie with real people.
Okay, so you guys have a little bit of idea of what I was saying. So as you can see, it does take a lot of time for all this process to be done. And when I saw this, honestly, I was like, wow, we honestly need to appreciate our movies a little bit more. Okay, so some of the computer animated movies. Disney uses computer animation to make the most popular movies. Toy Story was actually the first completely animated movie in Disney production. So, yes, our favorite movies that we see, like Cars, Toy Story, Up, Nemo, are all computer animation. And Toy Story was actually the first one back in 1995, if I'm not mistaken. It was the first ever computer animated movie. So, yeah. And last but not least, conclusion. Knowing more about computer animation helps one better appreciate the hours of manpower behind the making of movies. So this is what I just said earlier, right? Now that you guys saw the computer animation process, I hope you guys have a little better of an idea of everything, and we can appreciate more the hours of these people put behind all this work. Because after me seeing all of this and researching all of this, I do appreciate it, and I do love computer animated movies. So that concludes my presentation, and I hope you guys liked it. And these are just some of the websites that I got this information from, just in case any of you guys are interested in learning a little bit more. This is where I got all this information, and you will learn a lot and get a lot of information. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for putting attention to my presentation, and like I said, I hope you guys like it. Bye.